Today we're diving into Quantower, a multi-asset trading platform that claims to offer a comprehensive trading experience. But does it really deliver what traders need? Let's explore its features and see if it lives up to the hype. Quantower is designed for both professional and retail traders, focusing on providing a unified interface for trading multiple asset classes, including stocks, forex, futures, and cryptocurrencies. The platform's standout feature is its extensive range of customizable charts and technical analysis tools, which can cater to various trading styles. The user experience is quite sleek, with a modern interface that allows for easy navigation. You can set up your workspace to fit your preferences, which is a big plus for those who value customization. However, while Quantower offers a lot of analytical tools, the learning curve might feel steep for beginners. The platform also supports various brokers and data feeds, which adds flexibility but can be overwhelming for new users trying to figure out the best setup. One area that feels a bit lacking is the educational resources. There's not a lot of guidance for new traders, which could leave them feeling a bit lost amidst all the features. So, what are the pros and cons of Quantower? On the positive side, its extensive charting capabilities and multi-asset support cater well to experienced traders who appreciate detailed technical analysis. The customizable workspace is also a significant advantage for those who like to personalize their trading environment. On the flip side, the platform's complexity might deter beginners. The lack of comprehensive educational resources means new users may struggle to fully utilize its features. Additionally, while Quantower does have a free version, the more advanced features come with a price tag that might not be justifiable for casual traders. There's also some ambiguity regarding customer support and response times, which can be a concern if you run into issues while trading. In conclusion, Quantower is a solid choice for experienced traders looking for a powerful multi-asset platform. However, if you're new to trading or prefer a more guided experience, you might want to explore simpler alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying out, especially if you're ready to navigate its